question music ready.
Okay, question music cue.
Here we go.
Here we go. What is the longest word in the English dictionary?
Is it off the musical Mary Poppins Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious?
No, it's not.
Yes. No, really?
Yeah, really, it's not. I don't even know if that's a real word.
It's in a song.
Oh, that's true. But no, it's not. The word is actually anti-disestablishmentarianism. My friend.
I hate you right now.
You got that question wrong, so I'm going to choose an egg. Or
choose an egg.
Yeah, me? Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
yeah. You select an egg.
That's the first one that I see.
All right.
And then what are we doing? Am I putting it on you? You doing
I'll do it. I'll do it. Ready?
Yep.
I think I'm lucky. Hold on. 3, 2, 1.
Oh! You are very lucky.
Damn it.
That's a lot of egg on you. Oh my gosh.
You know what? I had some easy questions. I'm just going to bypass them.
Oh, really? Okay, here we go.
Okay, since you were in The Lion King,
Yep.
I want to talk about The Lion King movie.
Okay.
Which actor provides the voice for Mufasa?
Yes, I know who that is. The name is on the tip of my tongue right now. James Earl Jones.
Damn you.
Yes.
Damn you. All right.
Well, I was going to say Jay Langaya, but nah, that's not the one.
There is egg yolk all over the place. Hit me with your second question.
Okay, second question. Okay, let's see if you get this one. This is a musical one. So I'm not musical, but music. Here we go. What other famous artist wrote Justin Bieber's song "Boyfriend"? It was a hit song. He's a famous pop star too.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Pop star.
Well, pop R&B. Yeah, pop R&B.
Is it Lil Wayne?
No, it's Mike Posner.
Oh, yeah, but he goes on.
Does he?
Choose an egg, brother.
Choose an egg. I'll just go for the next one.
I'm really hating this game now.
Here we go, man.
Here we go.
Here we go. Wow.
What do you think? What do you
I'm gonna
think?
stand back because
Here we
you're
go.
splattering it everywhere.
3, 2.
Oh, man.
Okay, serious question. Answer this truthfully.
Okay.
Did you talk to my producer and ask what eggs are raw?
I didn't, man. There's nothing in that. I'm just passing you eggs, bro.
Okay, here we go. Which Teletubby is the smallest and youngest? Now, here's a hint.
Ooh.
It's red.
Oh, really?
Has an antenna shaped like a stick you use for blowing soap bubbles. Don't look at it. What?
I'm not looking at it. I'm not looking at anyone else in the studio right now. I'm just.
Which Teletubby is the smallest and youngest?
I have a hunch that it's Poe.
Damn.
Is it?
Yes, it is.
Oh, yes. That was with no help too. Okay. Next one. You go, bro. I'm just going.
Oh, no. It's only if you get it wrong.
Oh, sure.
Yeah, sweet.
Oh, you're
yeah.
right. Okay.
So you asked me your final question.
You're about to smash it on your head too. Okay. Let's see if you know this one. What's my favorite Samoan food to eat?
It's gotta be sapsui.
Oh my gosh, it's bisupo, bro. Come on.
Yeah, sapsui with bisupo. You didn't let me finish. Is it? Give me an egg. Give me an egg. Surely I can't go three from 3.
Oh my gosh.
Any of these eggs boiled? Seriously?
I actually feel sorry for you, man.
Oh man, it's all over the screens too.
You could have breakfast on your head right now.
My question: Who is the eldest of these 3 singers? Justin Timberlake, Katy Perry, Beyonce.
Wow.
Who is the eldest of those 3? Justin Timberlake, Katy Perry, Beyonce.
I'm going with Justin Timberlake.
Damn you!
Yes!
Damn you!
Oh man.
I think this will be the last time I ever play this game.
Know what's happening? In your hood. Click on NiuFM.com.